Now listen, every grown-up father, I have just small advice for you. For every grown-up father, I have small advice for you. Can you ever sit down and think the reasons why every mother, every either you be boy, either you be girl, have you ever sit down and think, why is it every human being always say, I love my mother's side, I love my mother's side, I love my mother's side? Have you ever think the reasons why everybody always cherish their mothers and cherish their mother's family? Have you think? If you put 100 people down, 80 will say, my mother's family, they are nice, my father family, Have you ever think, and have you ever sit down and think over it? You never think. Now I want you to think. I'm here to talk to every grown-up father, the father that are just coming up now. Please take note of this and borrow me your ear. Every grown-up father, every father that are just coming up now gradually. I want to tell you now something. Waiting, I want to tell every man wey just dey grow up, wey wan become man. Listen and listen attentively. You see the reasons why everybody they claim, say, hey, my mama nice, my mama people they nice, my papa family, they not even nice at all at all. Did you know the reason why? Because when your child is so young, your mother will be taking you to our own family. Mind you, your mother will take you to any level of her own family. She will take you to her niece, she will take you to her uncle, she will take you to her sister, she will take you to her auntie, she will be taking you to any part of the side that her own family is. When you grew up within those people where them be your mama family. Your mama will never wake up one day, carry you waka, go to your own husband place where he married to let you get used to their water and their atmosphere in that area and their language. Now so in area ain't go they carry you go. When you can't grow up, you don't already get used to your mama people. All thing where your mama people they do, now you sabi. All talk where your mama people they talk, now you sabi. All character where your mama people they behave, now you sabi. All family of your mama people, now you sabi. You no sabi anything about your father. Tell me, when you grow up, if they can't tell you, say, can't talk about your father, what do you want to talk about your father's families or your own fathers? Not be your mama family you go to talk about. So that is the reason why I thought, say, every grown-up papa, may they come near me, may they come hear the reasons why they always prevail. They talk about good thing about their mother, and then they talk good thing about their father, and that thing they pay me. And a woman, I they cause, and your mama, I they cause her. Because your mama know they carry you go your papa family, and you when they grow up now, I bet borrow me your ear. As you did now, when you be father, no allow your wife make it they carry your pikin, they go to your own family without going to your family. No let those pikin grow up con know only your wife family, make them not know your own family. If you continue to they do like that, that same story will continue. The story can never stop. I don't understand whether you know they understand what they talk. If you they grow up within your father, the environment of your mama family, that is how you will grow up to love them, and you will grow up to hate your papa family. If your papa family, they be person will be say they not even care anything with their wife. You know there are some men, even though when they see somebody caution them, say no, let your pikin come home now as a father. Maybe you be mama to the father, maybe you be uncle to the father, maybe you be auntie to the father. You say, when you carry your children come home now, you go say you will, but your children have been going to your wife family's village, your wife's side and their villages. If your wife come from different family, like say maybe your wife mama na America, your wife papa na Africa, the both side now the pikin go know But trust me, if your papa na just America and your mama na America, the two of them na America, your pikin will never go to your father's side. No, only in mama, no matter say in mama place people dem far reach, in go. But if you are living in that America and your papa na America, your mama no go carry you go the family of your papa where they within the America where una dey live. I don't know whether you are getting me. I bet una stop am. Una stop am. The young boys wey una dey grow up become father. Una no dey sell una sef outside. Una dey gree for woman, make woman dey sell una outside. If your madam carry your pikin go to your family this week, if you reach where next week, if in dey dress up, you ask am say where dey go say we wan go see grandma. Say no. You go tell am say no, go see my own grandma too. If you no go see my grandma, no go anywhere. Sit down for this house, when we follow sit down. Abeg, get it into your skull, so that this thing of hatred, I no even like my father people. Shey me wey you no used to, now you wan know my character. Me wey you no used to, now you wan sabi me. You no fit sabi me when you no get used to me. You dey hear me from distance. Plenty wey your mama tell you, now you go to hear, now you go know about me. Whether your mama dey spoil me, now you go agree. Whether your mama they do talk good about me, now you go sabi. If your mama no don't talk anything about me, you no go, anything when you talk about me, now you go agree with your mama. If you no come to me, you no take your eyes see wetin I be, you go accept wetin your mama tell you. Let's grow up. Let the grow up boys them, papas wey they grow up now. The young married people, the people where they just they marry newly. Make them learn this thing, make them let that thing get to their skull. Say, give your wife chance. Make it they go to their family with your children no more. Let it stop. If you want to go to his own family, let him drop your child at home. If you want to go to she insists that she want to go to her family all the time, make sure you will include your own family. You not go to share them. Just as I get time stable. Some people get time stable for sex. Some people get time stable for eating. Some people get time stable of sleeping. Every activities in the house, there is time stable for it. Now so now go get that time stable. For say you go to my father's side, you go to my side, your side today. Next week you are going to my side. More na share am. So that these children, where they grow, where would they born? No. They no go grow up, they continue to say, I hate my father's family. I don't like my father's family. I only love my mother's family. I love my auntie. I love my niece. I love my this. I love my dad. But it don't supposed to be so. It don't supposed to be so. That is the word of advice when I bring up for now today. The young papa, when they grow up, allow your children to know your family. Don't let your wife hijack your child from you. Always take your child to her own family alone. The family will know the child will know the family, and your own family will not know your child. Even some of them, they will not even recognize them along the road. You can't say your family with the children, and the children, they will jump tomorrow, they will beat themselves or they marry themselves. They will do evil to themselves because they don't know themselves. So make sure say una put this thing for brain. Make una dey allow una wife to dey take una children when she dey everywhere. That's your mama house where you see so. Make I open your ear, make you see. That your mama house where you see so. That your wife, where they always carry him pikin, they go in mama house when she dey there too. That's in mama. Remember saying say a born boy. Try to remember. Say that your mother-in-law, he born boy, and as him born boy, so he marry. The same thing. As in they good now for your own daughter hand. The same thing in daughter-in-law say go do to them. Because now waiting the rain be that. But when you stop them, the thing no go continue. As they hear me so, if you stop her, as a woman when they hear me so, if you take this video as a serious something, and you carry your child go your family today, you remain next week, carry and go your husband family. And you, me, self, where I be man, I do so. You, where you be woman, you do so. You go see, say, we go, they love ourselves equal. You know, go be say, I hate my papa's people. I don't like my papa people. My papa family, they are so bad. They are the dangerous snake in this house. No. Now, because of say, you know, get used to them. Not be all of them, I ain't they spoil like that. Not be all of them, yeah, like that. There are some good family like me, I not get used to my father's family, like I used to get to my mother's family, but I love them. Everything about them, I love them. I trained myself to love them, and my mother did not train me to hate them. So, but there are some these grown-up children that there's a lot of family, they grow up to hear bad news from their mother's mouth, so that they will now hate their father's families. Take notes. I mean, now please, want to adjust. Please, it's very important. That is the word of advice that I bring come for you. And I believe if you work on it, it will favor you. It will favor you. It will good for you. So that nobody will be hate again. You will not hate me. I will not hate you. As a mother-in-law, you will love me. As a daughter-in-law, I will love you. As a son-in-law, I will love you. As your child, grandchild, we will love each other. We will not create enemy between ourselves. It's not supposed to be so. Take your child to your father, to your husband's house. Take it to your own house too. That's what will make us get love. We can eat in the circle. Nobody will even know who is father-in-law or mother-in-law's family. All of us will be at the same table. Now waiting I come bring comfort now today. Man, I try to take note. And as you do, God bless you in Jesus' name. Ciao. I love you all. Bye-bye.